One of the great traditions that our family has done through the years is having pancakes for dinner. And that tradition is carrying on with the kids. I'm using einkorn wheat, and in a moment I'm going to show you my ingredients. I like pancakes, but I like them healthy. And I believe that einkorn wheat gives me the best of both worlds. Let me show you how it works. I've whipped up 2 eggs here. I am going to pour in 1.5 cups of almond milk. You can use milk, you can use almond milk, you can use coconut milk, whatever you'd like. Mix it in. 2 tablespoons of butter. And so there's my mixture. Into 1.5 cups of einkorn whole wheat, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and I'm going to put in a teaspoon of, that's not cinnamon, I like cinnamon, but that is pumpkin spice. Mix it in, just mix it up, pour in your ingredients here. This is how easy, folks, this is how easy it is. You can have pancakes without making your life so complex. All I did was use a whole grain einkorn wheat that I grind myself for bread. So this is just, I didn't sift it, and if it doesn't turn out, we're in trouble. But I think it will. I've been letting this rest for about 5 minutes. You can see a little bit of bubbles forming on the top. So there's just a little bubbling. Now it looks a little thin. The einkorn thickens as it absorbs the water. And so that's why you want to let it rest a little while. Okay, I used a little ghee on the griddle, and we're going to measure out about 1/4 cup in these. We're going to see what happens here. Don't want to make them too big. Let's start with those to see whether or not we've got a good mixture. And I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of pecans on top. Now my wife always did the bacon for the kids, and so I'll do one with a little bacon. And everybody likes it differently. I'm a pecan kind of guy with real maple syrup, folks. I mean, if I'm going to have pancakes, I'm going to get real maple syrup. So we'll just let these cook. It's on medium-high heat, and so I've got a pretty good flame under there. Just let them cook until they start bubbling on top. And that's just about what I wanted. That's not quite what I wanted. I told you this is my first shot, so that's what I wanted. And so 2 out of 3, not bad. Total cooking time is probably about 3 to 4 minutes, because you want to cook them on medium high, but you don't want to burn them. But you want to make sure that they're bubbling a little bit, so when you flip them, they hold together. I like my pancakes thinner. I don't like them real puffy, so you want to get them puffy, you could probably put a little yeast in them, or just do some experimenting. But this is the way I like them. And so here we got them. That's with the pecans in it, and then here is one with the bacon in it. And this one was in the middle of the grill. And so next time I'm going to use a pan in the front. But that's why that took a little bit of a beating cooking. Okay, let's try a couple more. Little sugar in this batch here, a tablespoon of sugar. And we're going to try with a different pan instead of the griddle. Give you 2 opportunities to take a look. We'll put some pecans on that. They're spreading out with the sugar. The taste of einkorn wheat is unlike any other kind of wheat I've ever tried. And so take einkorn wheat, add some nuts or something to it. It's absolutely wonderful. And I'll post the recipe at the end. Okay, we're going to turn them. You notice after putting a little bit of sugar in them, they actually fluffed up more. So a tablespoon of sugar in your batch. There. I think these are going to look good. The pancakes are done. Tell me what you think?
They're good.
How good?
Very good.
What does that mean if you give a pig a pancake? Are we going to give a pig a pancake or are you going to eat him?
I'm eating.
So what does a pig ask when you give him a pancake?
For his favorite maple syrup.
You can't eat a good pancake without maple syrup, right?
No.